there, this is Bed from Tutsvero, and I'm about to show you how to create an IC style text. First of all, you're gonna go ahead to the type tool and make sure your foreground color is set to white, and just type something down, just like that. Now, this should work the best with very bold fonts, but you can have a go and try different fonts. You're gonna go to edit, transform, and go to rotate 90 degrees. Then go to filter, stylize, and wind. Click OK. Then make sure your method is set to wind and direction from the right. Click OK again. Then you can see it's changed it. Then go to edit, transform, and rotate 90 degrees CCW. Then move it to the middle again. Now what you're gonna do is by holding control and clicking on the layer, you're gonna select the text. Then you're gonna head over to the paint bucket tool and fill it in with a very dark blue, just like that. And fill in the text layer with a very dark blue. Now that you have that, you go and change the fill to about 8. Or you can deselect it by clicking Control D or Command D if you're on the Mac. Then you head over to layer style, blending options, or you can just double click layer. First thing we're gonna add is an outer row. We're gonna change the color to a light blue, just like that. Decrease the opacity to about 25. Then go to inner glow, same color, but keep the opacity the same. Now that you have that, you go to bevel and emboss. You can increase the depth to about 250 or 230. Decrease the size to about 4 or 3. Change the angle to 30 and the altitude to 38. Change the glass contour to ring level, this one right here. And highlight mode and shadow mode, you're going to keep the opacity the same, but you're going to change the colors. Now the highlight mode color is going to be a very light blue. The shadow mode color is going to be a very dark blue, just like that. Now we're going to go to contour and change the contour to a half round. Then you go to texture, and texture is going to work out with any texture you like, or you just find the texture that's going to give you the result that you desire. I personally I'm going to use that one right here. Increase the scale quite a bit, increase the depth quite a bit. Now that we have that, we're going to head over to gradient overlay. Take a look at the gradient bar and just change colors. The far left one to white, and the far right one to a very light blue, like that. Click OK. Change the opacity to about 20. Click OK, and there you have it. A very simple and fast way of creating your very own ice style text.